What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to The Best Life. And today I am doing a inventory haul. What I did was I tried to order everything for the month of May. So yeah, we have a lot of stuff to cover, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. So I'm going to start off with poly millers. So these are just the flat ones. Like I put like shirts and what else I put in here? Like my clothing and accessories in here. These are my organza bags. I usually use pink, but I am going to start rebranding, so I'm changing them to black. And these are the big bubble millers. I meant to order 8.5 by 11. I put the my labels that I make in there, but these will work good as well because I can put the gloss bags in here. Like if you order 1 or 2, instead of me using a box, I can just put them in here. These are my sample. These are where I put my samples in. They look like this. And if you order samples, it'll come in this. So I ordered about 100 of those, and they come in this. And I got plenty of syringes. I actually got 2 boxes of these. I have plenty of syringes, because I do also sell lip gloss kits as well. So yeah, got those. And then these are, I'm sure I got a little box, but I got big boxes as well. And heavy. But these are for my Rose lip oil, Simply Dior. And they come like this. And I ordered like 200 of these. Yeah, I ordered like 200 of those. And then I ordered some pipettes. These come in my lip gloss kits as well. And if you make lip gloss, you know these are very essential. It helps to get the lip gloss to the bottom of the tube. And then next, I ordered 600 gold wand tubes. Yeah, this is 100, and another 100 over there, and then I actually got 400 that will be delivered on Monday. Yeah. Plenty of wand tubes. And then I ordered some vinyl. See, I don't know if I can see the color. There we go. But I am starting Jordan mini gloss collection. So I'm going to use the vinyl for her labels. And then I got some requests for some chunky glitter. I use the ultra fine glitter, but some people want chunky glitter. So I got chunky glitter showing up. it's chunky, and I got it in pink, and I got it in silver. Then I had to get some shredded paper, and I used black. So I put these in my boxes for my lip gloss wholesale. And then I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 bags of squeeze tea. And I offer 10 milliliter and 15 milliliter too. And they come in, I think the 15 milliliter comes in 70 a pack, and the 10 milliliter comes 80 a pack. So I got that. Then the most important thing to make lip gloss is base. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I got 2 more over there, so I got 6 bags of lip gloss base. So yeah. Next time we get the bucket, I just didn't want to pay $500. So yeah, this should last me for a bit then. So next, I had to get shipping labels. I ran out, but I use these. They're self-adhesive to ship off my packages. Then I got mica powders. And these come like 42 in a box. Yeah, I got that. Open the doors. Then I got some stars and some sprinkles. These are for Jordan's line coming out. I'm gonna have 3 lip glosses come out. I'm gonna have one with stars, sprinkles, and butterflies. And then I got this blue chunky glitter. It's real cute. Then I got these. They are disposable lip gloss wands, and I'm gonna insert these in my sample. Then I was using the Postal Service fragile stickers, and then one of my customers got charged for it, so I went ahead and bought my own. So yeah, I got those. Then I got a whole bunch of flavoring oil. So if you buy a lip gloss kit, it comes with a flavoring oil. That's what it looks like. And it comes with all kinds of flavors. It's a strawberry kiwi, coconut, peach, tropical punch. It has a lot of them. And I got 2 bags of these. Then I got some coconut oil and some castor oil, but it's over there. Then I get a lot of orders with purple lip glosses, so I bought some extra mica powder for that. So there's that. And then I got these bags because I'm gonna put the mica powders in them for the lip gloss kits. So they come in little baggies like this. I had to get a new spatula. This is how I put my lip gloss labels on. So I have to scrape it and make sure it sticks. Gotta get a new one of those. I got big boxes to mail, but I got little boxes as well. If you order like 20 lip glosses for wholesale, it'll come in a box like this. Then I have big ones for like 40 or more. So I can fit like 20 or 30 lip glosses in here. Then I had to get a whole bunch of transfer tape because I'm taking orders for vinyl labels. Well, I stopped because this is time consuming. So yeah, I'm not gonna do it every day. I'm probably gonna like release that I'm doing it like once every 2 weeks because it takes a lot of time to get all that extra stuff by weeding out. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, I got this new bin because I got them upstairs, but I leave my lip gloss stuff downstairs. So yeah, gotta put all my stuff in here. And I think that is about it. And I think we're coming up on 5,000 subscribers. And what I'm gonna do is a giveaway. I'm going to give away a lip gloss wholesale order. So I think I'm gonna do like 30 glosses. Or if you wanna like start your business, we're gonna give that away once we hit 5,000. And then my JDR page on Instagram, once we hit 1,000, I think we're gonna give away a lip gloss kit. So I'm gonna put like my Instagram name right here. And then you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share our video. And thank y'all, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.